And tonight, former President Donald Trump is asking a judge that he appointed to consider tossing the classified documents case after Monday's Supreme Court decision. Let's bring in our chief legal correspondent, Katie Barlow. Katie, does this immunity decision apply to all of his criminal cases?
Well, that's really the key question. And longtime prosecutor and former Trump defense attorney Jim Trusty says special counsel Jack Smith has a, quote, treacherous path forward prosecuting former President Donald Trump in the January 6 case. On Monday, the court said the former presidents enjoy absolute immunity from prosecution for official acts that are part of core presidential powers, like commander-in-chief and pardons. For all other official acts outside those core powers, Trump either has absolute or presumptive immunity. And to make it even more challenging for prosecutors, when a judge is considering whether an act is official or unofficial, the judge is not allowed to consider the president's motive.
This idea of not being able to explore motive, that's a very intricate, tricky moment. But that's telling the lower court that when you look at an act of the president, we're not going to let you read into it some sort of nefarious intent by President Trump. They're looking for a categorical approach, an objective approach as to whether something is official or unofficial. I think that's going to benefit in the long run President Trump pretty dramatically.
Trump's defense team has already asked Judge Juan Marchand in New York to consider tossing the conviction on 34 felony counts for falsifying business records. Today, his team is asking Trump appointee Judge Eileen Cannon in Florida to pause the classified documents case in order to determine whether the Supreme Court's decision applies there as well. Trump is facing federal charges for the unauthorized retention of national defense information in the Southern District of Florida. Trump is also asking Cannon to consider whether special counsel Jack Smith, the appointment is constitutional. Justice Clarence Thomas wrote separately on Monday's decision, suggesting Smith's appointment was invalid, but no other justice joined the concurrence.